Hello guys, review Samsung Galaxy A57, this version 8GB memory and 128GB storage. Open box and look complementation. In complementation we have Type-C, slot for a key for SIM card, Type-C to Type-C cable, and that's all. Without adapter for charging, and device in the gray color. Okay. We have 6.7-inch display, power button and volume buttons on this side, backside triple camera, downside Type-C, speaker, microphone and slot for SIM cards. Turn on this button. Display we have 6.7-inch Full HD Plus resolution, 120 Hz Super AMOLED Plus display. Open settings. We have One UI version 8.5 Android 16 and Knox 3.13. Open AnTuTu benchmark results, good results. Look Geekbench 6, CPU test results and GPU test results. Close this. Run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Okay, game load and load on the high graphic level, max graphic level and ultra frame rate. Works good. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.